story. Former greenskeeper about to become Masters champ. Got about 195 yards. He's got a 9-iron. Oh, it's a good shot. It's in the rack. It's in the hole. Oh, hey, what's up, PT Daily? So, it's Masters week and I'm done snowboarding for the year, so it's time to switch my mindset to golf. So this week's video is going to be all about golf and the Masters. Since we're not at Augusta National, but we are at the friendly confines of Rancho Minana National, they're kind enough to let me use their facility for a few videos. So, healthy snacks. Now, a lot of my friends that I play golf with think a healthy snack is like a light beer or maybe a vodka shot, but that's not healthy. So you want to be pretty much fueled up when you're coming out to the golf course. So having a good nutritious meal before, loaded with proteins, carbs, and healthy fats is going to help out. Now, when you get to the golf course and you get to the snack shop, instead of kind of going for like the Cheetos and the sodas and the Doritos, stick with something a little bit more healthy, like over here at Rancho Minana National. We got some peanuts, some trail mix. You know, I kind of like sometimes crackers, sometimes not, but try to avoid the booze, stick with the water. If you're really getting tired, try some Gatorade. Alright guys, keep it healthy. See you later.